How does NGK token chain work? NGK token economy boosts the global entity enterprises to realize the commercial revolution through the blockchain. Digital token will also drive the economic development of traditional enterprises, let the economic rights and interests have transaction and consensus. NGK.io, the blockchain, let valuable rights and interests on the chain to issue digital currency such as stocks, bonds, funds, and other financial derivatives, as well as certificates, patents, property rights, and other personal rights and interests for digital issuance of assets. The drawbacks of traditional blockchain. The conventional blockchain cannot be applied to any scenario because of energy consumption and low efficiency. Bitcoin has diverged from the founding and development teams of the expansion dispute, resulting in Bitcoin Cash, but still cannot fundamentally solve the problem. Although Ethernet has innovated smart contracts and even improved in speed, it cannot meet larger applications, and the speed of EOS transactions has reached a higher level, but has always been slightly inadequate in governance and security. What problem does NGK.io blockchain solve? NGK.io creates a commercial-level blockchain to solve the drawbacks of the traditional blockchain. NGK solves the problem of transaction speed through DPoS consensus mechanism or bookkeeping, cancels the reward mechanism of annual additional issuance, rewards block producer through transaction cost, avoids inflation when additional issuance, sets transaction cost to resist DDoS malicious traffic, greatly enhances the security of the main network. Transaction fees are rewarded to block producers, which means that the total amount of NGK tokens will never need to be issued, and the more times all tokens in the blockchain are traded every day, the more returns the block producers get, which not only guarantees that the tokens will not be inflationary, but also promotes the block producers to make practical contributions to the blockchain ecology rather than the so-called superficial competition. Governance model. NGK main network has made the normative supervision to the intelligent contract. When smart contracts go online or to the blockchain, the developers of the contract need to be confident enough about the content and code of the contracts, because the NGK block producers will systematize the testing of the contracts. Once detected, block producers will publicly vote, and more than 11 block producers will not approve the contract. The contract will be voted into the blacklist, which will effectively prevent the security risks and speed of the network caused by illegal contracts, and the new contract will be checked into the public whitelist. Then, any block producer cannot vote on the contract, the rights and interests are permanent. Financial ecology. In order to cope with the market changes of various contracts, NGK.io adopts the strategy of maintaining the main network with fairness, opens the contract based on the blockchain to everyone, developers can expand their business and improve their functions according to their needs, and NGK will provide efficient service to the qualified and secure contract platform, thus improving the transparency of supervision, combing the regulatory logic from the bottom layer, providing reliable infrastructure in the field of blockchain for traditional financial and physical enterprises so that the contract of developers can be regulated and stable. Meanwhile, the new financial model means that the NGK main network needs some supervision, and the qualification of tokens in dApp needs to be effectively audited. This way can provide a certain guarantee to all users of the blockchain, so that the digital currency on the blockchain is qualified, which can purify the blockchain through audit, reduce unfair contracts, illegal contracts, and no commercial value contracts on the blockchain. High-performance services for financial products. NGK Value Networks focus on connecting real economies, meaning it will be more applicable in the financial sector. NGK.io blockchain, as a bridge between blockchain encryption assets and real assets, creates the ecology of traditional finance built in blockchain world. This is a new economic business model that eliminates the bubble worry of users in blockchain virtual digital currency and releases digital authentication and economic token. The enterprise launches the platform Digital Economy Business Ecology through the blockchain thought. The platform is responsible for the operation and the community management, allowing any responsible enterprise to implement business reform through the blockchain, develop business dApp applications, and create digital financing for listing. At the same time, token can be used to support project optimization and incentive mechanisms to build community, application and certification co-group prosperity ecology, and to promote platform development and digital economy market value through enterprise developers.